Thank you for calling Claude Consulting. This is Riley, your scheduling assistant. How may I help you today?
Yeah, I'd like to just book a 30-minute consult.
Great, I can help with that. Have you used Claude Code before, or would you say you're new to it? You're all set, Ben. Your consult is booked for April 29th at 2:30 p.m. Melbourne time.
Yeah, that was Relay AI, and this is the booking that it just locked in. And there are literally millions of businesses across the US and around the world that need this, and almost none of them have it yet. There are 36 million small businesses in the US. $126,000 is the average revenue lost per small business every year from missed calls. 62% of calls to home service businesses go unanswered. 85% of people who can't get through never call back. What you just heard is the fix. In the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how this works, who it's for, and how you can build it and sell it as a service today. All right, so let's do a full demo. I'm over in the Relay app, and I'm in the test agent. So this business is set up to take inbound calls, and it's a Claude Consulting business. So let's give it a call and see if we can lock in a time.
Thank you for calling Claude Consulting. This is Riley, your scheduling assistant. How may I help you today?
Yeah, I just want to book the next available call to learn about Claude Code.
Great, happy to help. Are you brand new to Claude Code, or have you used it a bit already?
You could say I've used it a little bit.
Thanks for sharing. Is there a specific topic or pain point you want to focus on during the consult?
I would like to focus around Claude Cowork.
Understood. I'll book you a 30-minute consult. What time zone are you in?
I'm in Melbourne, Australia.
Here are a few available slots in Melbourne time. Tomorrow at 4:30 p.m., Wednesday at 9 a.m., Wednesday at 9:30 a.m. Which one works for you?
I'll take the first one tomorrow.
Got it. May I have your full name for the booking?
Yeah, it's Ben.
Thanks, Ben. Could I get your email address next?
Yeah, it's ben@test.com.
Just to confirm, that's ben@test.com. Is that correct?
Yeah, got it.
Great. What's your one-line goal for the consult?
Just to learn everything about Claude Cowork.
You're all set, Ben. Your consult is booked for tomorrow at 4:30 p.m. Melbourne time, and confirmation has gone to ben@test.com. You'll get a calendar invite soon. Looking forward to helping you with Claude Cowork.
So we'll just leave it there. Now, if we go to bookings, we should see that booking confirmed. And there it is, this one here, Wednesday the 29th of April at 4:30 p.m. So that's all been locked in. We've had a conversation and it's all sorted. Now emails go to the business and the person that set it up. That's all automated and happened behind the scenes. And if I go over to my email, you can see this is the confirmation that goes out to not only myself, but to the person that booked it. And there's also a link there to have the video call, and that's all configurable. So whichever way you want to set it up, that's up to you. All right, so how does this all work and what is the stack and workflow behind it? So looking over on the left here, we have the caller. So there's two ways a call can come in. You can actually have a button on the website. You just press it and it's going to dial and you talk through the browser. That's pretty cool. Or the other way is just a phone call. Now, what happens then is it goes into this tool called Vappy. You may have heard of it. So what Relay does is it combines Vappy with cal.com and brings it into a nice user interface, which then can be packaged and productized. So Vappy handles the inbound phone number, it listens, it thinks, and it has custom tools. These are like function calls. And what happens during the call, it goes off and has a look at the cal.com calendar. You can see that here, it's via API request, and then it comes back and it says, yes, there's some available slots. And what Relay does is it presents it really nicely. So you have a calls view, a bookings view, an activity dashboard, and then your basic settings. Now, I am going to show you how you can build this, but first, I also want to show you the main use cases that I see for it. The first one is to replace the front desk. So you've got a VA, reception staff, and you can replace these people with an AI agent. So instead of paying someone $35,000 to $60,000 a year, whose main job it is answering the phone and booking appointments, you put the AI in place instead. Now, the typical business for this is your dentist, doctor, physio, day spa, etc. And the unlock here is this is what it really does for the business. And it is such an easy sell. It answers 24/7. It's never closed. It's never on a lunch break. 0 6 days. 0 turnover, and 0 training time. One fixed cost versus wages, super, leave, and all the other stuff. So so basically you can scale call volume but not scale the headcount. Now, the other use case here is revenue capture. So never miss a job. And this is really for, say, tradies and field businesses that don't have admin to pick up the phone, or they're on the job and they just can't get to that phone. So the problem is they're on the tools, the phone goes to email, and then they miss the call, they don't get the job, and that's the end of that. So your typical businesses here are your plumber, electrician, builder, roofer, HVAC, locksmith. So the unlock, what really this actually does for them is every call gets answered. No voicemail drop off. It captures the name, the job, the address, quote details. It qualifies them. It recovers revenue that was being lost and they wouldn't have had. So the owner stays on the tools and the jobs still get booked. So there's your use cases that I see. There's probably a heap of others, but they're the ones that sort of stand out. All right, so how do we build this thing? First, we need access to this Relay Voice Agent repo. And to get it, we need to go to Ambitious AI Plus School Community. And when you go to the classroom, you'll find this Launchpad Repos section. And in here, you'll see a Relay AI Agent. Once you're in here, the instructions will be shown on how to get the access into that repo. And so the process goes something like this. You get the access through the Ambitious AI Plus and you clone that repository. Now, when you clone it, you bring it into VS Code, and that's where Claude comes into the picture. So the entire repository has a Claude.md file and it has guardrails. The entire thing can be set up using Claude chat within VS Code just by starting with the words, help me set up Relay. Once you've done that, Claude is going to take you through step by step to add all the accounts, the tokens, and the keys to bring this thing to life. Once you've done that, then you want to think about your use case. Do you want to use it for a consulting business like I've set it up, or do you want to go after one of those other use cases? And that's where you can customize it. Now, you might see down the bottom here, this is basically you can go from clone to live booking agent in a few hours. And the way I see it, I'd be charging between $2,000 and $4,000 to set this up for a business, plus a monthly retainer. So it's the same playbook for every client. It's a productized service. All right, let me show you how quickly you can get this up and running once you have access to that code base. Now, all you need to do is open up VS Code, open a terminal, and paste in this exact command here. That's it. Now, the only other thing I've done here is I do have the Claude Code extension running. So if I click over in here in the extensions, Claude Code for VS Code, and that's it, right? So if I hit enter on this, that's it. It's copied it, and now we can install the dependencies. I forgot to change folder. Let me do that. Run that again. All right, so that's installed. All I have to do now is actually run it, and we can start to take a look. So this will just fire it up on the local server. In fact, if you were building this for yourself, you can actually just keep it running on your local machine. You don't need to do anything else. All right, so it started on port 3001. So there we go. The base app is now up and running. The next phase is we ask Claude to help us set it up, and it's going to run us through the entire process. So help me set up the Relay project located in this folder, which is our current one. And you can see right there, it's found that Claude.md file, which provides the entire setup instruction. So it says here it's going to follow the onboarding instructions. So it will tick over for a bit and it'll look at the grand scheme of the entire project, and then it'll come back at step 1. So it's ticking off the first one, already done that. Step 2, I've already done the npm install. And there we go, looking at dependencies. All right, so if you are setting this up, that's all you need to do, and you are in business. I'm going to leave you with a couple of things to think about and why I think this is a really good bet for not only 2026, but the next few years ahead as well. There is just such a massive opportunity, and there is very small barrier to actually being able to offer this up and get into this business, because there really isn't any hard decision as a business owner. In the US, over 36 million businesses. The average lost revenue for a small business is estimated at around $126K. It's an easy sell. Putting this in at $2,000 to $4,000 saves a small business with a receptionist, $40,000, $60,000, $80,000 a year. And the timing is now. Voice quality has got really good. You've heard that earlier in the video. And just a full disclosure here, if you want access to that repo, it's in the AI Plus community, and this is a paid community. If you got any questions, drop them in the comments, And if you like this video, you might like this one as well.